So over here, you can see that I have a make your own section right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and add in a sign up form element. So to go ahead and do that, you can click on the add elements button and then click on sign up form. And once you do that, you can see that this is what you have. You got a form section with name and email right here. If I were to go ahead and click on edit right here, then you can see that I have the form name right here. So you can go ahead and add it as you want. So you can say something like be in touch. The name right here is single field for name, but you can add in a separate field for first name and last name. And you can also block disposable emails right here and add in the thank you message right here. Like for example, I'm going to go around and say thank you for getting in touch. Let's say for example right here. And you can go ahead and add in an email where you want to go ahead and receive an email when someone submits a form. So if I were to go ahead and click on save, now you can see that this is the section right here. So let's just go ahead and publish this right here and let's see how this actually works. So if I were to go ahead and then open up the preview website, I can go ahead and add in the first name and last name right here. So let's just go ahead and add in the first name and last name. So let's say the email I'm using is tutubechannel3@gmail.com. If I were to go ahead and click on submit, here you can see that I have a captcha. So let's just go ahead and then I utilize the captcha right here just like this to prove I'm human. And then once that is done, you can see it says thank you for getting in touch as we said in the sign up form. So this is basically how you can go ahead and add in a sign up form element so that when you actually go ahead and then add in the detail right here, what happens is that it will go ahead and then it'll add in a workable form right here just like this that you can use. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.